Why is the chat disabled? Back at it. Smoking biscotti shit is hit like it's crack. Mm. All right, DJ. I didn't enter none of these, so I didn't. I was gonna enter this, but it was 5 o'clock, so I'm glad didn't enter it. But I don't really know how to feel about this one. Let's go to the higher time frame. Like, I like this entry right here. Like, I'm willing to enter right here. Right here. I like yeah, I like something like this. A little, look how hard it's dipping. Once I said that, DJ, I bought the spot did. Nas did not exactly what I wanted to do, but I was being greedy. I went break even on Nas today. I'm still in my Nas jump, like I said, but this is what I did. Cause I wasn't too sure about it. Like I didn't have precise. This what happened. I entered where I entered at. I think I entered like right here. And then he just came back down. I was like, yeah, I'm not going. Was it Nas or 30? Like all of this shit look clean. Ooh, 30 about to go crazy. 30 about to go stupid. Yo, what the fuck is wrong with my chart? Why is it doing that? I'm about to fix that. Cause look, like it would show on an hour, but it wouldn't show on like the 4 hour. Why the fuck is it doing that? Yeah, I seen this spike. Bro, it's not even a fact. It's the fact I really didn't know where to enter. Like, granted, let's see. We're at 2. All right, let's talk about 2 o'clock. So 2, it went up, came back down. This was just a fake out. That's how I should have looked at it. I should have looked at this as a fake out. And I was planning, I ain't gonna lie, I was planning on enter right here. Because fuck all of this right here. Fuck what happened. Fuck what happened right here. I should have never looked at it like that. I'm looking at it like I still don't know what the market gonna do. But this is a fake out just because of news. Could have entered right here. Low key, my stop loss would have been hella tight, but I would have won because it came down, popped back up. Yeah, I probably made this my stop loss, my TP probably. You see, why does it do that shit? Like it doesn't show. What the fuck is going on? My TP probably be at least this next target. Damn, it went up. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh no, this is a wick. This is a wick. I'm not gonna count this. Yeah, my TP would be like right here. My TP, bro, TP would have hit low key. I'd have made this like my TP. In all honesty, I'd have made this my TP. Fuck all of this. I'd have made this my TP. Exactly right here. And then if I would have took out here, I probably would have let it run. Yeah. That's a good hole. That's a good hole. Like it was going. I was thinking about entering, but I'm like, nah, I'm not really tripping because it's like when I'm in such a high point of Nas, it's like I ain't tripping. I was trying to catch. Fuck, it didn't alert me. Oh my gosh, bro, it didn't alert me. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Because I was waiting for the price to dip down. Once it came back up here, I was going to enter, bro. It still might go down, but over, I don't know, man. I wanted to enter right here into another. We're gonna check that in the video. Bro, I still didn't. I don't think trading I really didn't do shit. This would have been, oh my God, this would have been so. I was waiting for Nas. So the thing, man, I was waiting for this Nas to come back for so long. I've been waiting for this shit right here since last fucking week. I've really been waiting on this since last week, bro. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. I was like, Price has to come back here before he even wants to keep going up. So, because I was gonna do a re-entry and just say fuck it, I'm done. I was gonna hold on my real account, and then, man, I've been talking. Man, I'm about to. Nothing's hitting my alert. I would have entered. Yeah, I would have entered this. I was gonna enter this. I was trying to wait a little bit after news, and it was a little bit after news because news 4:14, probably like 4:30, like 4. Yeah, it was like 2. Oh my gosh, bro. And even so, I'm trying to see where else you could enter. This is probably the last spot you could enter. But no, because it just broke. This would have been the last spot right here I could have entered. Damn, this shit just green. Because I just been in this for a long time. I would have entered like right here. And then stop loss would have been the high as hell too. I'd have made this not stop loss. I ain't gonna lie. I'd have made this my stop loss low key. Because it still could have came down. Yeah, I would have made this my stop loss right here. If I entered this one. But it never came. US 30 I could have entered. 30. Let me delete this because I didn't enter. Oh. What else I'm looking at? Gold. I could probably still catch gold. I still probably could catch gold. Really? This gold from here to here is really not crazy. It's really here to here. Because every time I pass this yellow, I was going to say here, but it doesn't go there every time. Come to yellow, like look, yellow stops here. It's going to play around. Sure, if it come above here, it's going to go here. Yeah, I'm looking to buy gold. Maybe the only thing I like about gold, you can buy anything. It's kind of like GJ. GJ, I just buy any. If it look good, I'm gonna just buy this shit. GJ, fuck all that. GJ, no, I ain't gonna lie. Ever since you told me about GJ, man, it paid me the most. Well, Nas paid me the most because I caught that long ass bob. But overall, GJ's be making me money. I can't lie. Like, bro, if it come here, it's over. It's over. There's a nice spot. This spot clean. And then if it come here and breaks, that's another spot that's super clean. Yeah, I'm gonna be done after that. I'm gonna enter my real account. Prop firm account is about to be done. I didn't trade all week. I really didn't trade all week. That's why I like y'all in the stocks, bro. The stocks, y'all swear to God, y'all have so much opportunities because it's like fucking 30 pairs y'all could trade. It's like Forex, you can trade a lot of pairs. It just some pairs just don't move. It don't look good. Like I be wanting to go back to Forex pairs, but what pair actually moves good to me? Nah, like the thing about stocks is it is the same, but look, Nvidia is going up. Nvidia going up. Fucking. It's like like 30 stocks that's just gonna keep rising. Amazon always gonna go up. Let me see. Yeah, nah, like yeah, nah. The thing is, it's SPY, not like that shit. Like those are the three and gold. Or it's the only. That's why I trade this shit. So I don't trade. Nah, y'all have more pairs that's gonna like just keep rising. Like all we got is 30 gold, Nas, like guarantee rise. I ain't saying Forex pairs don't rise. We're not saying that. We just saying guarantee rise. Yeah, Nas is the company. Yeah, like I said, Nas, 30, Spa, Gold. That's what else? Commodities. Yeah, it just stocks. Like, look, this is what I mean. Because all them 50 companies, the best companies, Tesla is in Nasdaq. Tesla always gonna go up. The video always gonna go up. Granted, Nas is always gonna go up though. It's just a little bit more like don't you yeah. Yeah, facts. But that's kind of like Nvidia too. You can just buy Nvidia, it's always gonna go up. I'm not saying Nas. I'm just saying this shit is just more peers. That's it. Nas and Spy and 30 and Gold always will go up. Fucking. Oh man. I'm gonna just catch this GJ shit. Just to be honest, I'm gonna catch this GJ. Hopefully it comes. Hopefully, fuck this. Never mind. This shit ain't that good. Look, hold up. Hold up. I'm trying to see where to catch this shit. You know what? Yeah. This is good. This is a good one. I'll buy like soon as it tip here. I'm buying. Hopefully it come here. I'm gonna be mad if it don't. Oh yeah, this shit good. Hell yeah. Please come here. Let me do the alert a little higher. A nice. This is a 3 to 4. I'm thinking this is like a. This shit need to be a little higher. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, why the fuck does it do that? Yeah, if it go above the yellow, it's flying. This will be my first TP. You know, if anything that go above yellow, it kind of comes here. Really kind of comes a little bit lower, low key. Probably like right here. Guarantee it's gonna come there. That's why I'm gonna do a re-entry though. Like I always do re-entries. Because this was the yellow at first right here. That's why I did a re-entry. This was a yellow. So I'll come here, get an early entry. If it come up here, get another entry. I'm not doing that break even stop loss shit no more. Well, I might. I ain't gonna lie. If it just stop loss, it stop loss. No, it's damn. Damn. I'm mad I couldn't get right here. I was gonna buy as soon as it tapped here. Go. I might get in. Might get in at like 9. Yeah, I really ain't trade shit, man. Yeah. As soon as I should tap it for I just knew Nas had to come here. I'm like, before they want to take off, at most he got to come here. So let me see. This would be the low once this break. Damn, I'm still in this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I might just make my TP longer. Bro, I took profits twice out of this already. I can't really believe I'm holding for this long. Like, cause this could be like something like this. You could just hold. I swear to God, I wish I would have held this on my real account. Hell, I probably just been holding. I probably would have just been holding for I don't know, just forever. DJ. I really got to delete GJ. This shit's starting to look nasty. Let's see. This is this is the only shit I know. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm on. Because I knew once it break here, guarantee it's not real. And if it came back here, I probably wouldn't have gave a fuck. But it's either was gonna keep going. Oh, because it's like, we've been in the markets for so long. It's like you kind of know what the market is doing. Nas, like you just said, Nas gonna keep going up. So you rather well just take advantage of that shit. Say you bought right here, you can just buy, just hold a bit. That's what I'm about to start doing. Because once a Nas dip come, I'ma just buy and hold, bro. I don't care if it's for the year. I'm up 20K. I don't give a fuck. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 5. I don't care. I take my little partials first, and I'm gonna just let it rock. I already took partials twice. That's why I really don't give a fuck. I honestly don't give a fuck. It's just floating profits at this point. GJ, damn, what the fuck was I just looking at? Oh, I got to correct. I got to edit GJ. This shit look nasty. Let's delete all this shit. It's starting to look nasty. I ain't gonna delete them. No, I should delete these. No, I don't want to because I like going back and looking what the fuck I entered. Oh, we gonna delete the blues though. We ain't gonna delete the profits. But this is the low. Because it kind of broke. This was the high, low. It won't go anywhere low over here. It's not breaking here. You could have sold that. That's why I kept buying because it won't break in. Yeah, that shit was an A++. This Nas shit was an A. This Nas shit today would have been an A+ too again. That'd have been a nice A+ setup. That was my A+ setup. This was my A. Low key, I'm not trying to be on no funny shit. I was just supposed to enter this yesterday. So I ain't been tripping. I was really, remember it came right here. Well, I was supposed to enter this bitch yesterday. Yeah. Because even so, it would have came here. If I entered like right here, it still wouldn't have closed that break even. I would have, soon as it tapped here this morning, would have closed that out, break even. Never hit break even. Went up. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have took out, right? I would have took out. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have. Because look, once it hit here, that would have been a fucking. That would have been. Let's see. Because this would have been stop loss. This would have been right here. That'd have been a 3 to 4. That's not that bad. Yeah, that ain't bad. It would have won me. Probably would have won like $200. Really count. Yeah, it just never hit my alert. I thought I could have got another opportunity. Never hit it again. Gold. Nas. Fuck. GJ. I'm just waiting on GJ. Let me edit GJ. Fuck, not this one. This is. You don't want it to break here, but this is the low. Like, guarantee it can still come back up. But most likely it might not come back up. This is a area like we gotta see what price does. Like if it comes below here, oh, it's fucking falling. So that's all I know. But I'm still giving props to here. It can go lower, and I can still like if it comes like lower right here, I'ma still buy. I'ma still start buying. Like come here, buy, come here, buy. If it go below this, I'm gonna be skeptical about buying down here. Granted, it can still go back up from here, but once it breaks this, oh no, I'm done. Low key is really this, but I'm trying to give it fucking grace off a higher time frame, like an hour. Because look, come here, here, breaks. This is the low. Once it breaks, so this is the low. This is the high. It comes here. Nice entry. Kind of, damn. Loki, this is damn. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see the full on. Yeah, GJ's so clean. Like, look how much entries you could just enter. Comes down, enter, comes down, enter, comes down, enter, comes down, enter, comes down, enter. Once it comes down here, I'm entering. Yeah, I'm just waiting on GJ. I ain't waiting on no other pairs. Gold and GJ. I really like GJ way better than I like gold. Way better. Granted, gold is fucking spiking, but GJ just there's just something about the GJ. If it hit here, I'm buying. Once it hit here, that's a guaranteed buy. Granted, I was going to buy right here, but it was 5 o'clock. Once it was 5, market closed, and it just did this. I was going to buy right here. Granted, I didn't. Nah, yeah. I was going to buy right here. Right here. Start low is probably low key. Star Wars would have been right here. Low key, it can still come back here. It can. Hey, I'm gonna tell honest truth. If it come back here, I could buy too. Low key. If it don't hit the stop loss, shit, it can go back up. It's not really showing me it wants to sell. But I rather just buy this right here. Oh, how the fuck I got something right here? Oh, this is another buy area. I really don't. What the fuck is that? Oh, let me see. How did I put something right? I don't like this. Let's delete this. I think I was trying to enter early. Oh yeah. I was trying to enter earlier. I could have entered this, but I had to guarantee it was a buy. It looked like it didn't want to break, so I didn't want to enter this shit. Yeah, I didn't want to enter because it won't break in. Once it broke, I was like, okay, it's buys. Guarantee this can be a buy too. Though. Let me see what this will be the 2 of the 7. And this one is a 3 to 4. I might make the stop loss. Okay, that's not that bad. Yeah, that's not bad. I ain't really got much to talk about today. You know, I'm gonna start going live Fridays. I need to start doing that. Yeah, I ain't got much to say on this junk. Well, look, I probably go live Friday. Ain't really much to do. Peace.